Testing 1, 2, 3.
EY is launching a series of podcasts on the buzzword today, generative AI. So now that you've created this excitement for us, tell me really what are the use cases that you are working on?
Okay, so this is the most fun part, Devesh. Tax AI or AI in tax. When people ask me what are the use cases, my simple answer is wherever there is human, there is a use case for AI. It's as simple as that, right? You don't have to think beyond that. You have to just apply a lens that are you doing something which you don't like, and then think whether AI can do it for you. Right. So let's talk a little bit specific. Now, as tax professionals, what do we do? Broadly, we do three things. We deal with data, clients, or whether it's our internal functions.
True.
They give us data. We advise, whether it is advising clients or advising our internal stakeholders, we advise. And then lastly, we defend our positions. So it's litigation. Now, you take each of these three areas, there are many use cases which AI can help and make lives of people better, improve productivity, and most importantly, improve quality of the work. That's the part which I think is a lot more exciting than everything else, is improving work quality. Let me give you an example around data. As accountants, as tax professionals, we deal with general ledgers. We deal with loaded Excel sheets, and we are often asked to review these. Find out exceptions. Now, we've worked on use cases where you can straight away go and ask a question to an Excel sheet to tell that if this attribute is present, or if this line item is present, or if this non-deductible or non-creditable item is present. It's just absolutely amazing how at the speed and accuracy with which this job can be done. So far, this whole concept of, test checking or just doing sampling, I think that can just completely go away. You bring in AI and you can do 100% validation of data. Invoices, agreements, sometimes they comes in box files, and I remember in good old days in trucks, right? But how do you deal all of that? AI can do that like literally in matter of minutes and much better than what a human would do. So that's AI for you.
Oh, that is really nice. But you gave us a good example for data, and I think as a tax professional, I can really relate to that problem. Help me understand a little bit more about the other two pieces you spoke about, which is research and litigate.
Right. So this is, I think it gets even more interesting. This is actually for the first time we have been handed over a tool or a toy. I don't know which one yet, but which can really start behaving and thinking like a tax professional. For the very first time, something which has cognitive abilities to think like an accountant or a lawyer. So it's up to us how we use it. Again, if you have to look at few examples, let's say you are given a 500-pager agreement for review. Now you have to look for tax clauses. You have to look for things which may have an impact from a commercial standpoint or a tax standpoint. A traditional way would have been to take a print, go through, or do a control F and things like that. But you can never be sure about those ways of working, right? Unless you put days and days into it.
My fears.
Absolutely. So this whole data discovery or the discovery part, which is integral to any research that you do, AI can help. Coming to reading orders, court orders, you're doing research, you have 50 judgments to refer to. Now, AI can simply go through 50 judgments and really tell you that, hey, I think the facts that you're looking for or the legal principles that you're looking for are present only in this 5 out of 50. Okay. So you don't have to really go through 50 judgments now, but really focus your efforts on doing high quality research only on these 5 items. Wow. So all of these are very exciting ways of how you can use AI in whether in research or in defending litigation type of things.